Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. English Grade 2. As you know that we are doing unit number 9, The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Yesterday we did difficult words. So today we are going to do a words meanings of this chapter. Let's read words meanings. Sheep, bhed, sheep, bhed, sheep, bhed. Grass, घास, grass, घास, grass, घास. Hills, पहाड़ियाँ, hills, पहाड़ियाँ, hills, पहाड़ियाँ. Shepherd, चरवाहा, shepherd, चरवाहा, shepherd, चरवाहा. Loaf, हंसना, loaf, हंसना, loaf, हंसना. Believe, यकीन, believe, यकीन, believe, यकीन. Explain, वजाहत, explain, वजाहत, explain, वजाहत. Apologized, माफ़ी, apologized, माफ़ी, apologized, माफ़ी. Let's read once again. Sheep, bhed, grass, घास, hills, पहाड़ियाँ, shepherd, चरवाहा, loaf, हंसना, believe, यकीन, explain, वजाहत, apologized, माफ़ी. It's for today's work. You have to learn these word meanings and then try to write these words meanings on your notebook. Thank you.